Good morning, MGI. This is the video explanation of the lesson for October 5th, which is Monday. Regardless of if you're an A student or a B student, this is your assignment for this day. I'm just going to take you through Schoology and kind of explain this. I also want to explain kind of how this process will work. So, whether or not you're an A student or a B student, the lesson for that day is going to be exactly the same. So I will post a video recording, if need be, to just kind of explain how you're supposed to do what you're supposed to do on Schoology. So if there's a lecture, I'll post the lecture. If it's just like this one, just an explanation of what you're doing, then I will post that. And it will be the same for A students and B students each day. Okay, and I'll post the lessons for Monday and Tuesday on Monday, and then the lessons for Thursday and Friday on Thursday. And they will all still be due at 8 a.m. on Monday, the following Monday. So all of these will actually be due on the 12th for this week at 8 a.m. But as far as today, you'll just go and I'll kind of take you through this. Okay, so you'll go into the lesson or into our class. Click on Unit 1, Globalization. Week 4 is where we currently are. So for this week, or for today, the 5th, you have a video, and this day's activities are about Dennis Rodman in North Korea and kind of hit what he believes is going on in North Korea with their leader, Kim Jong-un. So the first one's just a little video from Megyn Kelly's Today Show with Dennis Rodman on human rights in North Korea. Okay, the second part is a reading. Okay, so you'll just go through this reading, which is attached here. At the bottom, you'll just have to download the PDF. And then you will fill out the current event template and submit that. And then the last part that you have to do is the discussion board, and it just says, "Do you believe Dennis Rodman's opinion on North Korea?" And then explain your stance. So those are the 3 things for today. If you have any questions and you're in class, you can obviously ask me. If you are not in class, okay, I will not be on Google Meets anymore because I have students in class. So you will have to shoot me an email if you have any questions, or you will have to discuss them with me on Wednesday during individual meets, or some other arrangement if we make one. Thank you. Bye.